This is Terry from TC Tech, and we're going to replace some 50-watt bulbs in some track lighting, and this is going to require light bulbs for a GU10 fixture. First thing you're going to want to do is using a stepladder. Don't try and change the bulbs while they're mounted. Just turn it 90 degrees, and then you can take the whole fixture down. So we'll just take down all the lights that aren't working. Now, in order to remove the bulb, you're going to want to remove this black cap. So you'll pull that out. Once you have the cover pulled out, you can then twist the bulb to slide it out. Once you have the light bulb out, you can then angle the bulb up and slide it out of this little bracket. Now, there are many different types of light bulbs, but I'm going with a 50-watt 2-pin, and make sure this fits the GU10 base if your light fixtures look like mine. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide that bulb into that cover first, so that little bracket pinches on the bulb, and then just make sure it's centered the way you like it. Then what you want to do is you want to slide that little socket out, and you're going to line up those 2 pins with the larger holes, stick them in, and then rotate it clockwise till it clicks. That will lock the bulb into that holder. Now you can very gently click that bracket into the base of the light, and that first light is put together. I'll put links in the description to the bulbs that I'm using, but I'll show you a couple more times. So here's that second one. I just popped it into that top bracket. Then I'll slide the bulb in to the fixture and give it a clockwise twist to lock it in, and then snap it down. So once you get the hang of it, it's really easy, but I can totally imagine the first time you take a look at these light fixtures, you're probably kind of confused. So again, snap that light bulb into the top bracket, slide the 2 pins in the holes, and then give them a slight clockwise twist and snap them in. That's all there is to it, and now you are ready to reinstall these in your track lighting. All right, and now we'll slide them into the track, give them a twist, and then we'll angle them however we want. And there are our new lights, and if you can see that old one, I'll probably change that out so it's a nice bright white. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.